So here is I'm going to show you how you can increase your point inside of the Docs Mini apps on the Telegram. And here is as well as another thing um, you want to maybe want, that is connect wallet. You can connect now your wallet, Tone wallet, and couple of wallet they have option. You can immediately connect it. So it is exciting news because while it will be uh, it will be int, at that time they will transfer your point into your tone because it is tone based coin. Dogs is tone based coin. Anyhow, how you will increase your point and how you will connect your wallet, everything I will show you. First, couple of tasks they provided you in order to increase your point. First is make a tone transactions. If you are able to do this, do it. Subscribe to dog channel, immediately you can do it. Okay, just click on and do subscribe, and immediately come back here, do claim, and 100 point will be added into here. Okay, immediately. So this way do it. Add your name into in there, this button mini sticker in your name, and after that you will check it, you will get 2500 talks point. That points would be valuable while it will be int. Okay, because it is based would be your Airdrop money. Okay, how many dollar you will get, it will be based on and your how many dogs you have. Okay, send okx.com, this type of task do. If you don't understand, just feel free to click on here and click this claim button. Immediately it will be added into here. So it is pretty simple, straightforward. You will get every task A to J. Just increase your balance. And now I'm going to show you how to connect your wallet. So click on this connect wallet and click this open wallet in Telegram, and couple of seconds would be taken from you and it will be opened up. And here is your tone wallet, and your docs apps would be pop up, and just click this connect wallet, the blue button, and it will be immediately connected with your wallet. And here is your you know wallet address is being showed. Okay, and that's it, your point would be sent while it will be int. So very exciting. After couple of days I will be updated about it. If you don't yet join Telegram channel, check out Telegram channel inside of this various description box. So this was the update. See you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting, and meet you with in the Telegram channel. Check out description. Very soon will be